Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you have to be watching this. Hope you're doing it fabulously. And today tonight we are going into this huge box I got off eBay, and it's I guess you could call it a mystery box, because I have no idea what's in it. It was not labeled as a mystery box, and I don't think the seller typically does these because I kind of looked at their selling history and this was the only one. But I was kind of curious because I just typed in Goth clothing lot and a bunch popped up, and this was the best looking box for the price. It was listed at $55 with $13 shipping. I made an offer at $50. First it was $45 and they said no. So it came to about $63 and some change. And my husband was so funny, he's like, what is this? And I was like, it's a box. And he's like, well, what's in the box? And I was like, eBay. And he's like, for who? And I was like, me. So he probably thinks I'm crazy. So what I'll do is I'll just read the description. It's supposed to be size small to medium, but then the description actually said 5'7", and I'm typically a small medium, so we shall see. And the pictures were very vague, and you could only see like the top of them in the pictures for the eBay description. So it just says Goth mystery box, new and gently used clothing and accessories, 4 dresses, 3 sleeveless tops, 3 skirts, 1 jacket, 1 sweater, 1 pair of shorts, a goodie bag, and several mystery accessories. Fits juniors size 5'7", and this was the only picture. So it's just the top of the box opened. And yeah, so we shall see. And if you're new here, all I do is awkward, so let's do this together. And cheers. Yay. So the box is super heavy and big, and I feel like it is just stuffed to the brim. So here's the handy dandy razor. And I also forgot to mention that the Packers won tonight in my vlog. That's my team. We just have to defeat the 49ers, so if you're not into sports ball, I'm sorry, but I'm very excited. And I'm drinking out of the wine glass. Yay, go Pack. And we're going in. We're in this together. I hope the clothes don't suck. My first mystery box ever. And it's taped really well. We're in. Okay. And it just has probably a reminder of where the box goes. I thought it was a letter. So let's see. The first item we have is this. It's like a little cardigan. It's a size medium. So that's really nice. And I have a million black cardigans, but this one has furry sleeves. So far so good. I really like that, and it looks like it was never worn, and it doesn't smell like anything like cigarette smoke, so that's good. It smells like it's laundered previously before. Yay! And then we have this bundle of clothing that is tied together with a scarf that's really cute. And the scarf is just sheer with spiders, and I love it. Yay! I'm already loving this box. Not bad for the first 2 items. And let's see, this has the tags on it, so that's pretty cool. It is a 10 though, but it looks like it's adjustable on the back. It's a dress, and it's from Hot Topic, so it looks like it might actually fit me. With the back being able to lace up, I really like that. That might actually be the worth of this whole box if it's new with tags, Hot Topic. So I'll definitely have to try that on in a lookbook for you, or maybe after I record this I'll try it on. Oh my god, it's like that sturdy twill material that I like. That reminds me of like Trip Goodman, and the brand is Hearts and Roses, so I'll have to look that up and see what it went for. It has grommets all over it. That would look really cute with like patches on it or something, but I'm liking that. That is really neat. And I've always wanted one of those like work type Dickies style dresses, like the t-shirt dresses, so I'm liking that. Now we have a dress, and I can already tell I love it because it's Trip. And it has like the corset detail on the front, and it zips down the back, And it has the tutu skirt. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. It's a medium, so, and the straps are adjustable, so I feel like that will fit me. Wow. I feel like I've already gotten my money's worth just from 2 Hot Topic items, so I'm pretty stoked about that. And again, nothing smells funny or like is really dirty or torn. It looks like somebody went through a goth phase and didn't get around to wearing this stuff. Or maybe their daughter or something, I don't know. Alright, that is super cute. It's a Lolita style dress. I think this was also Hot Topic. Yeah, it's morbid threads. So I'm already hitting the Hot Topic jackpot. I am so glad I bit the bullet and got this box. And like 36 people were watching it, so I just made an offer and did buy it now. Oh my god, I love it. It's a little wrinkly, but it's like that cotton material, so I know it's going to wash out easily, but oh my gosh, that is so cute. And it's got this little bow detail around the neck. I probably wouldn't pick this out for myself, but I was eyeing a Lolita dress like years ago on Hot Topic, and I'm not in frame. Now you're crooked. I should never adjust the camera while I'm recording. And it looks like there's another dress, and again, it's super cute and super Hot Topic-y. It's by Rock Steady. I wonder if this is another Hot Topic brand I haven't heard of. But it has boning in the bodice. And then it has a flare skirt with these adorable skulls and crossbones. Oh my gosh. It says it's a large, but it really looks like it would fit me. Because I'm kind of curvy, even though I'm petite. So sometimes large and medium surprises me. I'm super stoked about all this stuff. And next we have this box. It's cardboard. It says Book of Spells, and there's some goodies in here, so I'm going to get to that in a minute. Let's get through the clothing first. Holy crap, this is why the box is so heavy. All this stuff is like hardcore, like Hot Topic quality. This is a trip coat with the old trip tag on it, and it looks like this was never worn. It says a large, but I like my jackets big anyway. It has like fur lining around the collar and the sleeves, and I'm super excited about this box. Oh my god, I was so afraid I was going to be disappointed. But it has like a belt that cinches at the waist. This is going to be so good if it ever gets cold in here again, or cold down here. Right now our AC isn't working. It's 85 degrees in January. It's great. Yay. And let's see, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh. Here's another trip item. It's a medium, and it's a cute little tutu skirt that is super cute. And it has this little belt detail on the front, and it's just your classic trip signature, like zip up flare skirt. I love this. Very Avril Lavigne. Wow. I'm super impressed with this box. I was afraid it was going to be a bunch of faded, thrifted stuff, but they're really quality pieces. So there's another trip item, which may or may not fit. It is a medium, but it's one of those fake corset tops, and it has a zip down the back. And they're all true black. It's just my ring lights. Sorry, guys. And it has the adjustable button straps. So I'm definitely going to try that on as well, but it looks like it may or may not fit. But I have a sewing machine. That's why we have sewing machines. And let's see. There's another corset without the boning. It's by Morbid Threads. This looks like one of their older pieces. It is a medium, but I feel like that would not be too boxy on me. So yeah, that's really cute. I'll get some use out of that, even if I have to take it in a little bit. And oh my gosh, we're not done yet. And there's another corset type top, but it has the halter. I really like that, so it looks like I'll have to adjust the back. It's again by Trip. It's like they just took stock with all the Trip stuff, but it does have a cinch in the back, so I might be able to make that work. Oh my gosh, all this stuff is in like perfect condition. I'm super excited. Like I need more clothes. But this is fun to unbox with you guys. Ah! Alright, this is a Lip Service mini skirt. Like super mini. Like not cover your booty mini skirt. But I love the style of that. That's very steampunk, so I'd probably layer it. It has these little lace and ribbon details all around. Oh my gosh. Yes. I think that'll fit over my hips. With like some leggings and my steampunk getup. Yes. Or maybe even burlesque. It kind of reminds me of burlesque. What do you guys think so far? Because I'm really impressed with all this stuff. And then we have, this is way more than the description said. I feel like they just added more stuff. This is a Creepsville skirt, and it's a large, and it still has the tag on it. I've always loved Creepsville stuff. That is awesome. And it's just this little monster stretch mini. I feel like that would still fit. I could even belt it, but I am loving that. That is really cute. Very 80s or 60s horror. Yeah, I'm in love. New wardrobe update. And then the last clothing item we have is by Rat Baby. Glitz Grunge Street Couture. That's a cool tag. I love tags. I think the art is just amazing. And they are some booty shorts with the like the skeleton hip bone. I think those are really cute. And they're like all sequin all over. All sequin all over. Words, I have them. And then we have this belt. We are to the bottom. I just have the little mystery accessory things. And this is a nice sturdy leather belt. It's a large, but I can take some studs out and put some holes in it if it's too big. But it has the chains all around. Could always use a good belt. It's not look cute with any of those skirts. So let's open this book of spells, little desk box type thing. There's a bunch of tissue paper. So the first thing we have is, that's cute. A little typical rocker cuff. Kind of goes with the belt. Just silver and black pyramid studs. I've never seen the long ones like that. That's really neat. And then we have tissue paper. Tissue paper. Oh, I love me a good cameo. So we have this skeleton cameo necklace. That is super cute, of course. Say super cute one more time, Sarah. I will definitely wear that. And then we have, speaking of too fast, we have some earrings and they're little corset cameos. Those are really adorable. And I love, like, what do you call that? Like the backing is like flash tag or something. I don't know, I'm just making things up. But that is super, super neat. I love those. Stoop glare. Just gonna open one. Yes, I would definitely pay way too much money for those at Hot Topic or something. Did Hot Topic even, there's little scissor emblems or charms on the bottom. Did Hot Topic even sell Too Fast? Probably not, but it looks like something Hot Topic would rip off, or Spencer's or something. Okay. And then we have 2 goodie bags, and that is the last of this haul, unboxing, mystery thing. Let's see what we have in here. I like the little party favor bags. I'm going to keep these and do something with them. I love this stuff. I now understand why a lot of YouTubers are obsessed with doing mystery boxes, because this is fun. And we have some Nightmare Before Christmas socks. Of course, we love us some Jack. Again, new with tags. I feel like this person like owned a store or just never got around to wearing their like goth phase stuff, so thank you. You blessed me. But, and they're reversible. There's the back. Well, not really reversible, but you could probably wear them either way because they're no-show socks. We have 2 more of these. Everybody in my house is sick. It's awesome. And paper. And I always save used tissue paper for when I send stuff out. So, yay, recycling. We have a cute little filigree, is that what you call it? Ring. Just a black stone with some detail on it. There we go, that's a little bit better. I like that, but it just sits so high, I probably wouldn't reach for it a lot, but I think it's little bat wings. No, it's just like a little design, and there's a red stone on the side, and it's kind of open work. I still like that, but yeah, like I said, like I don't like high rings because I feel like that would just snag and hit everything, so maybe just for special occasions. But it's pretty cute. I like it. Keep looking at the viewfinder, make sure I'm in focus. Hello. And the last item from that little mystery goodie bag. Oh, there's two in here. Two necklaces. This is pretty cool. I like that. The all-seeing eye with some bat wings. And it's like this copper, like antiqued metal material. I really like that. Excuse me. And then the last necklace in that bag is this cute little black rose with little red accents around it. Definitely something I would pick out for myself. So I love those colors. Black and red always go together. Okay. And last but not least, we have one last little goodie bag, and I will get to that after I take a sip because, like I said, it's just so hot. It actually feels better outside right now in Florida than it does in my own house. Our AC just keeps quitting on us, and it's a maybe 2-year-old AC unit. It's great. And here we go. Alright, we have this little notebook. And it looks like it's aged on purpose, so that's really cool. I'll probably just throw this in my purse because it's just lined, but I like how they did the yellow paper, so it looks a little bit old, but that is really neat. That's actually metal on the top of the cover. And little kitty stickers. Those are always fun. I'll probably stick those on my laptop. They're like 3D and glittery. Yes, those are neat. And then we just have like your typical like little Halloween goodie bag rubber things. Oh, this has actually a hair clip. I will definitely wear that. And a little eyeball in case I see you. In case I see you. Yeah, I'm tired. And then we have this very fancy plastic skull ring and your spider ring and a little rubber snake. And then there are two buttons that have, one says, or has Jack on it, and I like this because it's actually like fabric feeling. Love us some Jack Skellington. And then this just says zombie bait on it. So that is very cute. It reminds me of those pin bins they would have at Hot Topic, like $5 for $5 or whatever, and people would just steal them, but I always bought them because I'm a good goth. Anyway, that was a really cool mystery box. I'm really happy with pretty much everything I got. I'm just worried about some things not fitting, being like the large and the mediums, but I will definitely try all of them on, and yes, I really had fun doing that, and I totally felt like I got my money's worth, like $60. Wow. That's a lot of stuff, and you know, like that dress alone probably cost $60 at Hot Topic brand new, and it still has the tags on it, so I don't really feel like I was cheated. I would definitely incorporate this stuff into my outfit. What did you think? What would you pick out as your favorite from this box? And if you like this kind of stuff, if you want me to try to buy more mystery boxes, whether it's on Depop or eBay, let me know and I'll unbox them for you because this was really fun. And of course, we love clothes. Everybody looks forward to the hauls. So if you like this sort of stuff, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little bell so you know when I update all the things, and give it a big thumbs up if you like this kind of thing, and I'll keep doing more. And I hope you have a wonderful night, day, afternoon, tea, champagne, pet your kitties, hug your loved ones, and I will talk to you very soon. Pixi out.